Okay, next to start the class continuation of the topics. Yesterday topic completed sin inverse trigonometry function. Next problem. This is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x. Here find the x value. So find the x value. So how is it find this value? So here one formula is there. What is the property? One property. Here this is property sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to property. So this is considered x, this is considered y, then apply this value, then find x. Okay, here this is equal to sin inverse. Here x equal to what is the x? X equal to 3 by 5. Substitute 3 by 5 under root of 1 minus what is the y value? Y square. 12 square by 30 square. 12 square equal to 144 by 30 square equal to 169. Okay. Plus y value. What is the y value here? 12 by 30. Y value 12 by 30. Under root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x equal to 3 by 5. 3 square by 5 square. So 9 by 25. 9 by 25. This is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. Then simplify this value. 169 minus 144. 169 minus 144. That is equal to 25 by what is the value? That is equal to 25 by 169. Okay. 169 minus 144 equal to 25. 25 by 169. Plus here 12 by 30 whole by 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 equal to 16. 16 by 25. This is 16 by 25. This is equal to 3 by 5 into 25 by 169. 25 root is 5 into by 3. 13. Plus here 12 by 13 into 4 by 5. Okay, simplify this way. This is equal to sin inverse 3 5 are 15. Okay, 15 by 65. Okay, plus 48 by 65. So this is equal to sin inverse 65 LCM 15 plus 48. 15 plus 48. This is equal sin inverse. So 48 plus 15. What is the 40? 53. Sorry, 63 by 65 value. So this is 65 by 63. But here this is equal to sin inverse x. So if this is equal to sin inverse x, then x sin inverse then x equal to 65 by 63 by 65 answer. Okay, right. Next one, sin is completed. Next to cos. Okay, next one problem is cos. Okay, next one. Okay, next to cos inverse 3 by 5. Next question, cos inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 24 by plus cos inverse 24 by 25. 24 by 25. 24 by 25 equal to cos inverse k equal to cos inverse k. Find k value. Find k value. Okay. This is question. So second question, find k value. Okay. Next. So what is the formula? Okay. This is also one property. Cos inverse x, cos inverse y property. Okay. Next. Here cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. So cos inverse x plus cos inverse y property. What is the cos inverse x plus cos inverse y property? So here plus. Okay, then cos inverse xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. This is cos inverse property. So apply this value here. Here this is considered x, this is considered y. So substitute this is equal to cos inverse xy. X value 3 by 5, then y. X into y. Y value 24 by 25. Y value 24 by 25. Minus under root of 1 minus x square. Here x equal to 3 by 5. X square equal to 9 by 25. Under root of 1 minus y square. Y value 24 by 25. 24 square equal to 576. By 25 equal to 625. Okay, this is equal to cos inverse. Cos inverse. So here 24 into 3 jar, 3 4 jar, well 1 is carried, 3 2 jar 6, 72. 72 2 by 125 minus under root of this is 25 minus 9, 16. 16 by 25. 16 by 25. Okay, next. So this is 16 by 25 into this one. See, once 625 minus 576. 625 minus 576 value. What is the value? 49. Okay, 625 minus 576 equal to 49. 49 by 625. This is simplified equal to, this is equal to 72 by 125 minus, this is 16, root 16 value 4. Root 5 and 25 value 5 into 49 value 7. This is also 25. Then LCM. What is the LCM? 125. LCM equal to 125. So 72 minus 7 into 4, 28. 72 minus 28. Then 72 minus 28 equal to, what is the value? Okay, this is equal to 72 minus 28 equal to 44. 44 by 125. 125. So this is equal to cos inverse k. Then k equal to 44 by 125. K equal to 44 by 125 is answer. Okay? Right. So next problem. Right. Next one. So here next problem, sine inverse into sine of pi by 6. Okay, find the value. Find the value. So already one formula you know very well. Okay, here sine inverse sine theta equal to, what is the value? Theta. Here theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay. Here sine inverse, sine, here theta pi by 6. So pi by 6 between these two values. So what is the answer? Between the two values. So pi by 6. This is belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Answer only pi by 2. Right. This is belongs. Next one. Next to sine inverse. Next problem. Sine inverse. Okay, right. Next, sine inverse sine of 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Right. What is the value of 2 pi by 2? 2 pi by 2. Pi equal to 180. 183 is 60. 120. 120. This is minus 90 plus 90. This is 120. Does not belong to this 2 value. Okay. Does not belong to here. 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 does not belong to pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Then what to? Okay. Then what to? So we have find, I have considered this is sine inverse into sine of pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi. 2 pi by 3. So sine pi minus pi by 3 equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. Next. So pi minus theta. So pi minus theta is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta second coordinate. First coordinate all positive. Second coordinate sine opposite only positive. Here sine. Here sine, so sine positive. So this is equal to sine pi minus theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, positive. Then we have considered this pi minus pi by 2. Then sine inverse sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. So this is sine pi by 3. So pi by 3. So here sine again this one. Sine inverse sine theta equal theta. Pi by 3 belongs to this two value. Pi by 3 equal to 180 by 3 60. Here minus 90. This is mean minus 90 degrees to plus 90 60. Here pi by 3 is belongs to this two value. So answer is pi by 3. So here pi by 3 belongs to closed interval pi by 2 comma minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, next one. So next one problem, cos inverse. Okay, next one cos inverse. Next problem, fourth one, cos inverse cos 120 degrees. Okay, cos inverse cos 120 degrees given. Okay, here since cos inverse cos theta equal to theta when if theta belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. This is theta belongs to 0 comma pi. Okay, right. So this is equal to cos inverse cos 120 degrees mean 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 value 120 degrees. So this is 0 to 180. This is 120 belongs to value. So that is value, direct value pi by 3. Okay, this is belongs to close to 0 comma 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is principal value. Okay. Okay, 2 by 3 is principal value. 2 by 3 is principal value. Right? Next one. So 2 by 3 principal value. So next one question. Right? Next question. So here next question, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equal to pi. Next question. Next question, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equal to cos inverse z equal to pi. Then x square plus y square plus z square, then comma, then x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy z equal dash. Okay, that is question. So how is it find this value? Okay, next. So this is already sign is completed in formula. There I will explanation also. So here consider let cos inverse x equal to a consider. Then cos a value x. Similarly cos b value y. Similarly cos c value z. Okay. Right. Here substitute the values. Okay. Cos inverse x value a. Cos inverse b value plus c. X a plus b plus c equal to pi. So here a plus b equal to this is written as pi minus c. Both side apply cos a plus b equal to cos a plus b equal to cos pi minus c. Then apply here formula cos a plus b value formula. Cos a plus b equal to formula. What is the formula? Cos a cos b cos b minus sin a sin b equal to cos pi minus c. Okay, this is formula. Listen here. Here cos a value substitute. Here cos a equal to x. Next to cos b equal to y. Next minus sin a. Okay. Here cos a value. What is the sin a value? Okay. Listen here. So this is triangle. This is angle A. Cos A value. Cos A equal to x. That is mean x by 1 value. Cos A equal to sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is this value? We have find. So this is equal to 1 minus x square. By using Pythagoras theorem, this is 1 minus x square. Then sin A equal to under root of 1 minus x square. Next sin B equal to under root of 1 minus b square. Similarly, by using Pythagoras theorem, this is equal to cos pi minus theta. So see here, pi minus theta means 180 minus theta. This is second coordinate. Second coordinate sin opposite, cosec will be positive, remaining all negative. Here cos, so cos is negative, okay, minus cos c, right? So xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square equal to minus z. Okay, squaring on both sides. Here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy. So squaring on both sides. So this is x square y square 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equal to minus z square equal to plus z square. Okay, right. So this is x square y square, okay, minus this is product 1 bracket of 1 minus y square minus x square. This is product 1 into y square minus into minus plus x square y square equal to z square. Okay, next here minus x square minus y square shift to the right side. So then x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square. Next here x square plus y square, here x square plus y square. So what is the value? So this is x square plus y square plus x square y plus 2xyz. 2x square y square. Sorry, question is 2xyz only. Okay, 2xyz. 1 minute. So this is, first of all, this is shift to the value. Shift to the value is right side. Then you have apply product. Okay, right. Then squaring on both sides. First of all, we consider this is xy. This is xy. This is xy plus z. This is this side right up. 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. So squaring on both sides. Now squaring x square y square plus z square a plus b whole square formula plus 2xyz equal to, this is simplified, 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equal to 1 minus x square minus y square, 1 minus y square minus x square plus x square y square. Here plus x square y square plus x square y square, both sides same, cancel. Okay, this is shift in left side, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz equal to 1. So what is the answer? Here 1. Okay, thank you. Next, continuation of the topic. Come on.